Hello everyone, welcome back to Doomboticus Metallicus, the go-to place for all things related to making money online and building a successful online career. Today we have an exciting topic for you. How to make money online by doing copy-paste work. Yes, you heard it right. We're diving deep into the world of copy-paste jobs and exploring how you can turn this seemingly simple task into a lucrative online income stream. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start making money with copy-paste work. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Section 1. Understanding copy-paste work. Let's start by understanding what copy-paste work actually entails. Copy-paste jobs involve copying information from one source and pasting it onto another. It might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. In this section, we'll explore the different types of copy-paste work available online, ranging from simple data entry tasks to more complex assignments. Types of copy-paste work: data entry, copy-paste jobs, ad posting jobs, social media copy-paste jobs, affiliate marketing copy-paste jobs. Pros and cons of copy-paste work. Pros: flexibility, no technical skills required. Cons: monotony, low initial pay. Researching legitimate opportunities, trusted websites and platforms, reading reviews and testimonials, avoiding scams and fraudulent schemes. Section 2. Getting started with copy-paste work. Now that we have a good grasp of what copy-paste work involves, let's move on to the practical side of things. In this section, we'll cover the step-by-step process of getting started with copy-paste work, from creating an online presence to finding the right opportunities. Setting up your workspace, dedicated workspace, necessary tools and software. Creating an online profile, building a professional resume, showcasing relevant skills, importance of a strong portfolio. Joining freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, applying for copy-paste jobs. Crafting an effective pitch, setting competitive rates, building trust with clients, managing workflow and time, organizing tasks, time management techniques, balancing multiple projects. Section 3. Maximizing your earnings. Congratulations on securing your first copy-paste job. Now let's explore strategies to maximize your earnings and turn this into a sustainable source of income. Upskilling and diversifying, learning new skills, expanding service offerings, building client relationships, communication tips, meeting deadlines, providing quality work, leveraging automation tools, time-saving software, task automation techniques, scaling your business, hiring assistants, outsourcing non-core tasks, creating a copy-paste team. Section 4. Real-life success stories. To inspire you and provide real-world examples of success, we'll delve into some remarkable stories of individuals who turned copy-paste work into a full-time career. Learn from their experiences, challenges, and triumphs. Interview with successful copy-paste freelancer 1. Background story. Key lessons learned. Interview with successful copy-paste freelancer 2. Overcoming challenges. Advice for beginners. Section 5. Advanced strategies and tips for those ready to take their copy-paste game to the next level. We'll explore advanced strategies and insider tips that can set you apart from the competition. Mastering copywriting techniques. Importance of compelling copy. A/B testing strategies. Utilizing SEO for copy-paste jobs. Understanding SEO basics. Implementing SEO in copy-paste tasks. Networking and collaborations. Joining online communities. Collaborating with other freelancers. Staying updated on industry trends. Continuous learning. Attending webinars and workshops. Conclusion. And there you have it, our ultimate guide on how to make money online by doing copy-paste work. From understanding the basics to implementing advanced strategies, you now have the knowledge to kickstart your journey in the world of online freelancing. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, continuous learning, and the ability to adapt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive and keep hustling.